Hair has always been very personal to me. It's an outlet of self-expression, creativity. I feel like it's also been markers of my evolution and growth over the years, both as an artist and as a person. So launching Fenty hair was something I was really passionate about. I wanted to create a lineup of products that were easy to use and included repair in every step. I also needed products that could keep up with me and fit into my lifestyle, which we all know is crazy. Fenty hair was truly created for all hair types. Everyone can find a go-to within this lineup, from my curly people, to those who love protective styles, to those with straight or wavy hair, or short hair or long hair. There's something for you. This line was tested on everyone. I partnered with the best chemists and the best stylists in the industry, with hair health as our top priority. There's no limit to what your hair can do when it's healthy and thriving. All of our Fenty hair products are made without sulfates, silicone, mineral oil, animal-derived ingredients, and other ingredients you told us you didn't want. We've got a really special proprietary complex in all of our products that I'm so proud of. It's called Renour 5, and it's clinically tested to repair, strengthen, hydrate, smooth, and protect. Fenty Hair's Renour 5 technology creates a continuous loop of repair, mending split ends, hydrating, and thickening strands, which then helps to prevent future breakage. We included Renour 5 at an efficacious level in every single product, so there's actual repair happening at every step. That means it's not just in our treatment products, but it's in our stylers as well. Every time you use Fenty Hair, you're repairing. We know scalp health is at the root of healthy hair, so we made sure this complex also included built-in scalp care and conditioning. What?
Okay, moving on.
I am obsessed with how cute the packaging is. Our packaging was made with sustainability in mind. My favorite feature, the textured caps. I mean, like, how cute. And also, it's such a nice little sensory tip. So when you're in the shower with shampoo in your eyes and you want to grab the next thing, that's all I'm saying. One of the most important parts of creating this line for me was getting the fragrance right. I love fragrance so much, and I wanted Fenty hair to smell incredible, like you just can't stop smelling your hair throughout the day, and when you lay next to your boo at night. I like to describe the scent as a warm, ambery floral. Everyone's gonna be telling you you smell so good and asking you what you're wearing. Let them know it's Fenty hair. With repair infused into every step, your creativity can't be stopped. Your hair on Fenty is stronger by the style.